Hey there! I'm doing another light application video today, and this time I am going to show you my two favorite brushes. These were my top two brushes for the longest time, the detail brush and the blush and bronzer brush. So I guess you can say I have rediscovered them. I did not want to forget to show you the sunscreen that I'm using. This is the Tula Protect and Glow. Everything is going to be in the description. So first I'm starting off with the Seint Balm, which is wonderful for keeping all of the eye makeup smooth, smoothing any dryness or any texture that you might have on your skin. And I am doing a little bit of color corrector, even though this is light application. As long as you're able to buff very thin layers, it will be light application with this cream makeup. And I am using the detail brush. Like I said, I absolutely love this brush. I have rediscovered it again. This one is fantastic for medium to full coverage, but if you use it a certain way, you can shear it out and you can get very light coverage, like tinted moisturizer like coverage, which is very important to me in the summer with that heat and humidity that's coming up. So I do powder my eyelids. You guys see this all the time. This is just the Seint Vanilla Dust, and I'm using the same brush. This is the small end of the detail brush, and I'm just using a towel just to kind of remove any remnants of powder that might be left. So here we go. I have problematic skin that I have these acne scars on my cheeks, and this particular brush is amazing at filling in large pores and also imperfections like acne scars. Now what I did is I only concentrated just on those areas, and then I am buffing on the perimeter of the coverage and shearing it out. So that's what's giving me the light coverage with this brush. It is brilliant. And it feels like I have nothing on my skin. But I also have that dewy glow that this cream makeup gives you. So I find this to be absolutely perfect for the summer months. And now I'm going to do a sheer application of bronzer. It looks like I'm like really getting in there, but my pans are starting to get low. And I do love that you can use every single last centimeter of your product with this makeup. So I was showing you for a little extra glow, I actually put two illuminators on either side. You could pick whichever ones you want. Glow Illuminator works really well with this. And the other one is rose gold. I love that this shows up on camera, that it shows how smooth our Seint cream bronzers are, and they just go on effortlessly. And you're able to make sure that all of your skin tone matches with your face and your neck. And again, I always love using these on my eyes. Put them on sheer enough. They're not going to crease. A little bit of blush. You don't have to do blush for summertime makeup. You could just do the bronze and a little bit of glow and you're good to go. But I love a little bit of a pop of color on my cheeks. And then here is my illuminator. And just tap that out with my brush. So my info is in the description. I'm also going to put it at the top of this video. Contact me so we can talk about the coverage that you're looking for, what you want for summer makeup, and we'll get you your own custom palette.